When the stars burn out and the strong winds come, I will lift my eyes to the rising sun. He is the Prince of Peace. He steadies my soul. I am His hands and feet. The whole world will know I'm a disciple of Christ. I will never leave Him. He is the truth and the life. He's the strength in my weakness. I will shine till the whole world sees. He's the light that will set us free. I'm a disciple of Christ. Out of all the paths that I could take, giving Him my life was the only way. He is my fire by night, the air in each breath. So I'll stand and testify again and again. I'm a disciple of Christ.
So describe SYC in one word.
Fun. Super happy.
Enjoyable.
SYC brings you joy.
Oh.
Yay! Ang saya-saya! Masaya.
Paano yung masaya?
Fulfilling po.
Inspiring po. I think joyness.
Fun.
Joy.
Enjoyable. Wonderful.
Amazing.
Enjoy. Amazing. Oh my.
Sweet. Educational.
Happy.
Sino nagsabi? Siya nagsabi. Ano sabi mo, sister?
Happy po.
Happy? Parang hindi ka naman natutuwa.
The best.
Happiness.
Oh, happiness po. Happiness.
Enjoy!
Peace. Fun.
Great! Happiness!
Masaya kasi dapat yun eh. Masaya.
A disciple of Christ.